everybody, this is Desiree and welcome to our Iloilo travel series. So as you can see, we are currently inside a church. It's a Sunday, so we decided to attend Sunday service. So kaming tatlo magkakaiba kami ng relihiyon. Marge is a Catholic, Yvette is from Iglesia ni Cristo, and I am an Anglican. And unfortunately wala kaming church dito, so I opted to join Marge instead. Nung ginagawa ko yung itinerary namin, I made sure to check yung iba't ibang mga kapilya and mga simbahan yung magkakatabi that has a service at around the same time. But at least we can all attend Sunday service and still be able to enjoy the rest of the day together. So this is Haro Cathedral. Ito yung isa sa pinakamalapit na church, Catholic church from our hotel. Kaya dito ko pinili na mag-mass si Marge. So after service, we all met up and then decided to have our breakfast at May Cup Ising's Pancit Molo. We decided to go to their branch at the Atria District Park kasi meron din branch doon yung Madge Cafe and we decided to give it a try as well. Sabi ko magdala ng pain, sabi ni Marge, mag-grab naman tayo eh. Ayun yung match. Magkwan tayo. Cup ising muna. Molo. Gutom na kasi ako. Saka nauhaw ako. Ising. Ganon. Cup ising. Thank you. Baka doon na po. Chicken. You cut nga the fresh lumpia so I can see what's inside. I'm gonna see your ritual when you eat it. Anong kape? After cup isings, pupunta naman kami na Madge Cafe. Hinga po siya. Yung tabang. Media tabang sa akin.
Ate, pwede pong i-video? Ay, hindi. Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Ang cute ng mag namin, beto. Yellow. Gryffindor ka ngayon. Hufflepuff muna kami. sarap niya. I mean, kahit di ko lagyan. Sa akin kasi yung parang medium na straw. Tikman mo yung coffee. Tikman mo yung ano. Hindi.
Ano ba yun? Hindi ba kayo saints?
Hindi. Sa kanya yung caramel something.
Sarap mo. Ang hazelnut mo.
After namin sa Mensch Cafe, bumalik kami ng hotel para makapagpalit sila into a more comfortable clothes. Originally, yung plan talaga namin for this day was to go to Garin Farm, which is about an hour and a half away from the city. Tapos magkukumute lang dapat kami doon. However, this was the beginning of September and around the time na pumasok si Typhoon Enteng. And the weather was already gloomy and we were worried of course na baka mahirapan kami sa commute kasi nga umuulan. And since outdoors kasi yung Garin Farm, naisip namin baka hindi rin namin siya ma-enjoy. So we opted na lang to roam around the city and visit their museums.
Hi, good morning po. Afternoon na pa. Tatlo kami.
May bilang lahat.
May isa kami PWD na kasama.
Isang name na lang, so regular one PW.
Okay. Dapat yung pupuntahan namin is sa kabilang side kasi katabi nito is yung National Museum ng Western Visayas. Kaya lang sarado sila ngayon because they're preparing for an exhibit daw. Kaya sarado siya ngayon. So hindi namin mapupuntahan. Basically, ang pupuntahan siguro namin ngayon is yung next na yung sa may Philippine Maritime or sa Philippine Economic History Museum. Yan. So, doon kami pupunta. So, ito yung museo. Ilo sa labas. There's like a huge sign naman. Hindi kayo mawawala. And dito sa may likod niya, I don't know if it's kita. Pero, nakalagay yan. Iloilo Provincial Capital. Andito nga kami sa Museo Iloilo. And, would I recommend it? If you have time in your hands, if you're not in a hurry, then yes, I would suggest for you to try it out. Pero kung alam mo, limited naman na yung oras nyo, then I would probably skip this na lang. Maybe take a picture outside, ganyan. But if you're interested in like history, ganyan, very limited lang yung nasa loob. Medyo maliit lang yung exhibit nila. And may bayad nga siya na 50 pesos. So, I mean, yes, you're helping out technically the local government by paying a visit here. Pero yun nga, kung kunwari hindi naman na enough yung work, kung hindi ganun kadami yung free time nyo na nandito kayo, then just skip it. Maybe go to a bigger museum. They say na mas okay daw yung museum ng yung sa may National Museum dito sa may katabi niya. Kaya lang yun nga, sarado kasi, so I cannot say if it's true or not. So, yun. Let's head out dun sa, yun nga, sa next na mga museum, which is the Philippine Economic Museum and then yung Maritime Museum, to see if if they have a better exhibit than what Museo Iloilo has. Thank you. So now we are at the Museum of Philippine Maritime History. Yan. Papasukin natin yan. nandito tayo ngayon sa may Maritime Museum of Philippine... Wait lang. Museum of... Ano ba yun? Museum of Philippine Maritime? Museum of Maritime Philippine History. Ayan. And it's really, really good. I like the exhibit. There's aircon sa loob. And maganda din kasi yung exhibit naka-Tagalog siya and naka-English din. So, any visitors, most of visitors would be able to understand the exhibits. Ayun lang.
Ito naman, flag ng Spain to. Pag di nyo pa alam, ko, di kayo na grade 1.
Ito ay matawag ng buong dagat ng Espanya.
The Battle of Manila, alam nyo na kung sino nanalo dyan.
Sino?
Team USA.
O, sino?
Ayan no, oh.
Okay guys, so nandito naman tayo sa Museum of Philippine Economic History. Ayan, so ganito siya.
Ito, nabukbok na. Ito yung nasa taas. Yung, ang tawag na dyan? Ito, malakit. Palay.